Secondary Science Fact File 1, Chapter 6 Particles, page number 87. Multiple choice question. Which statement is true about liquid? They take the shape of their container. The particle model is based on 3 assumptions. Which of these is incorrect? Some matter is made up of particles that do not move. What is the happening to the gas particles when a balloon is filled with air? They are moving very quickly. The spread of the scent of perfume away from the person wearing it is called diffusion. What happens if the volume of a gas is reduced? The pressure increases. True, false? When 50 cubic centimeter of water is added to 50 cubic centimeter of alcohol, mixture has a volume of only 95 cubic centimeter. This is because some of the alcohol has evaporated. False. All substances expand when they are heated because the heat forces their particles together. False. Small particles are called molecules. False. The higher above sea level you go, the higher the air pressure gets. False. An instrument used to measure air pressure is called a barometer. True. Page number 88. Identify which statement best describes a solid, a liquid, or a gas. Particles move about freely and at a high speed. Gas. Particles vibrate and cannot change positions. Solid. Has a fixed shape and volume. Solid. Particles vibrate and can change position. Liquid. Has no fixed shape or volume. Gas has fixed volume but no fixed shape. Liquid. There is hardly any attraction between particles. Gas. Number 4. Fill the gaps using these words. In a gas, particles are far apart and move very quickly. They frequently change position, moving in straight lines and bouncing off each other and the walls of the container they may be in. Gases have no shape and they can be easily compressed because the particles are not packed closely together. Gases usually have a low density because there are few particles in a small volume.